everyone, welcome to Nino channel. And today, we're talking about something that's increasingly common, but not always openly discussed: burnout. Whether you're working long hours, juggling responsibilities at home, or just trying to keep up with life's demands, burnout can creep in and take a toll on your mental, emotional, and even physical health. Today, we'll discuss what burnout is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to overcome it. So, let's break it down together. And at the end of the video, there will be some explanations of difficult words or phrase to expand your vocabulary. Burnout is more than just feeling tired or stressed. It's a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. The World Health Organization defines burnout as an occupational phenomenon. But let's be real, it can affect anyone, regardless of whether you're in a traditional job, studying, managing a household, or even pursuing creative projects. Some key signs of burnout include chronic exhaustion, feeling drained all the time, even after a full night's sleep. Detachment, a sense of alienation or cynicism toward your work or responsibilities. Reduced performance, struggling to stay focused, meet deadlines, or complete tasks that once felt manageable. Physical symptoms, frequent headaches, stomach issues, or catching colds more often than usual due to a weakened immune system. If any of these resonate with you, it's essential to pay attention. Burnout often builds up gradually, and recognizing the signs early can make a big difference. Burnout can stem from various sources. Here are some of the most common. Workload and pressure. Overworking or having unrealistic deadlines can leave you feeling overwhelmed. A lack of breaks or rest periods amplifies stress over time. Lack of control. Feeling powerless in your role, whether at work or home, can create frustration. Limited autonomy or an inability to make decisions about your tasks can increase stress levels. Lack of support. Emotional or social isolation can make stress feel unmanageable. If you don't have people to turn to for help or encouragement, burnout can feel even more isolating. Neglecting self-care. Skipping meals, not exercising, or sacrificing sleep for productivity might seem necessary at the moment, but can lead to long-term exhaustion. Perfectionism. Setting impossibly high standards for yourself and being overly critical can contribute significantly to burnout. Sometimes, it's not just one thing, but a combination of factors that create a perfect storm for burnout. Reflecting on what's fueling your stress can help you identify where changes are needed. Now that we know what burnout is and why it happens, let's focus on how to overcome it. Here are some strategies to help you reclaim your energy and well-being. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to tasks or commitments that stretch you too thin. Create a clear separation between work and personal life by setting specific work hours and unplugging after that time. Prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your body and mind, such as healthy meals, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Engage in hobbies or activities that bring you joy, whether it's painting, reading, or spending time outdoors. Ask for help. Reach out to friends, family, or colleagues when you feel overwhelmed. It's okay to lean on others. Consider seeking professional help, such as therapy or counseling, if burnout feels unmanageable. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even yoga can help you stay grounded and reduce stress. Journaling your thoughts and feelings can also provide clarity and a sense of release. Reassess your goals. Take time to reflect on your priorities. Are you chasing goals that align with your values? Or are you driven by external pressures? Adjusting your expectations and focusing on what truly matters can bring a sense of purpose back into your life. Break the cycle. If you're caught in a cycle of overwork, schedule regular breaks and vacations to recharge. Small changes like taking a 10-minute walk or stepping away from your screen can make a significant difference. Burnout isn't something that disappears overnight, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's a process of tuning into yourself, understanding your needs, and making adjustments along the way. Remember, prioritizing your well-being isn't selfish. It's necessary. By taking care of yourself, you're better equipped to take care of others and pursue your goals. Thank you for joining me today on Nino Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode with someone who might need it, and leave a review if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. The phrase juggling responsibilities refers to the act of managing multiple tasks, roles, or obligations simultaneously. It often implies a sense of difficulty or effort, as if the person is metaphorically trying to keep several things in the air at once without dropping any. This could include balancing work, family, social commitments. The phrase prolonged stress refers to stress that lasts for an extended period of time without relief or resolution. Unlike short-term stress, which can sometimes motivate or help you respond to challenges, prolonged stress can become chronic and harmful, leading to issues such as burnout, anxiety,